Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup spicy. To begin, select your preferred heat source. Fresh or dried chili peppers offer a bright, natural spice, while ground spices like cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes provide a more integrated warmth. Remember, you can always add more heat, but it's difficult to remove it once incorporated. A good starting point is often a 1/4 teaspoon of ground spice for a medium pot of soup. Let's explore some specific ingredients. Fresh chili peppers, such as jalapenos or serranos, can be sautéed with your onions and garlic to build a flavorful base. For a deeper, smoky heat, consider rehydrating dried chilies like anchos or guajillos, then blending them into a paste. Remember, the seeds and membranes hold most of the capsaicin, so removing them will reduce the heat significantly. Always wear gloves when handling these peppers to protect your hands from irritation. Ground spices like cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes are excellent for consistent heat throughout your soup. Add them early, perhaps with your other dry spices, to allow their flavors to bloom. For an immediate, bright kick, a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce, like sriracha or Tabasco, can be stirred in just before serving. Start with a small amount, perhaps half a teaspoon, and taste as you go to reach your desired level of spiciness. To achieve a truly dynamic spicy vegetable soup, think about layering your heat. Start with a spicy vegetable broth or bouillon for a foundational warmth. Then, add fresh or rehydrated dried chilies for a primary, vibrant heat. Ground spices, like a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, can then be stirred in to ensure even distribution. Finally, a drizzle of chili oil or a sprinkle of fresh, finely chopped chilies as a garnish can provide a final, exciting burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.